yogis, welcome to another mindful moment. I'll be your host today. My name is Mickey, and right now we have the opportunity to practice some mindful movements. So grab a chair, preferably one without any armrests, something that is sturdy and that you feel supported in. We'll be spending about 5 minutes together, just breathing and moving in ways that make us feel good. So you know your body best, and if there's anything that we do today that just doesn't feel right, I invite you to simply explore. So explore a new way of moving, a new way of pausing and listening to your body, and a new way of being mindful. So let's begin. Take a seat in your chair and come into a supported posture so that your feet are connecting into the ground. You're able to sit up comfortably with a little space behind you, so you're not touching the backrest. This can support really healthy posture and actually helps us strengthen our core, strengthen our spinal column, and create just a really powerful and mindful experience. I invite you to relax your shoulders and start to tune into your breathing pattern. You'll notice that you're breathing pretty normally and very naturally right now. And I just want you to begin to observe what your body is doing right here, right now. No need to change anything. Just starting to strengthen that mindful awareness. We have just 5 minutes together, so let's set aside anything beyond this moment, beyond this practice. Yoga is always about coming back to ourselves and tuning back in. So I invite you to begin to strengthen that energetic connection that your mind has with your body. Begin by breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. You can start to lengthen that inhale breath, letting the shoulders drop away from your ears and letting your eyelids close. Tune into that connection point with the feet touching the ground. Notice the support of the chair lifting you up, holding you safely. Let's take a deep breath in, drawing shoulders up to ears, pulling them back, letting them rest comfortably. 2 more times, starting to circle the shoulders up and back, deep breath. Good. Relax both arms by your sides, gently shake. Inhale, raise the arms. Exhale, hands come through heart center. 3 more deep breaths here, in through the nose. Exhale through heart. Inhale, lifting the gaze, and exhale, hands to heart. Last time. We're going to add a layer coming through our forward fold. On the next exhale, sweep down to touch your toe. Just getting part of the way there, starts to stretch along the spine. We're going to tuck our chin, slowly scroll up to that tall supported seat, big open chest, hands come through heart, very nice. Let's add another layer to this. Inhale, reach the arms back, palms towards knee, and we're going to take left ear to left shoulder. Starting to feel that open spaciousness along the right side. Back through center, left ear to left shoulder. Good, release hands in front, so bringing the fingertips together, interlace, turn your palms towards knee, and then press and round, tuck your chin to your chest. We're going to stretch along the shoulder blades. Bring both hands over to that right side, opening up along the left shoulder blade, the left middle back. Deep breath, open up that space, and then we'll move both hands across to the other side. Remember to tuck your chin. Move your breath to where you feel the stretch. We're going to start to open up our muscles with deeper, soothing breaths. Hands come to center, drop to the knees. Inhale, sit tall. Very nice. We'll take this for a side stretch. Right hand comes to the right side of the chair, left hand reaching up and overhead. Try to gain some length, spreading the ribs apart. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, release, left hand down. Right arm to the sky. Inhale, breath into the ribs, sitting taller. And exhale, release. 2 more times. Inhale to the right. Exhale, release. Open up the left side. Nice. And if this feels right for you on this next breath, we're going to raise both hands touching fingertips in that nice supported side stretch. Inhale to center, over to the left. Beautiful. Releasing both hands by your sides. Gently shake it out. Very nice. Okay, last exercise. Inhale, we're going to twist. Right hand to left knee, left hand reaching back. Soft shoulders, turn to look behind you. Deep breath. 2 more. Big breath in. Release on that exhale, hands come through heart. Beautiful. Right side, inhale, reach. Left hand across. Drop the shoulders down. Open the neck. Deep breath. 2 more. Beautiful. Inhale. Coming through heart on that exhale, breath. Yes. Let's finish off with our last forward fold. Hanging out with hands to toes. Take a minute here to fully surrender the weight of your body. Breathe in, start to slowly rise. Inhale, reach up, hands land at the heart. Palms touching in what is called a hand gesture, mudra. This is called the Anjali mudra, a gesture of offering from our hearts. I want to thank you for joining me today. May all your movements come from your heart as a gesture of love and resonance to support our daily lives. Thank you, thank you. Om Shanti and Namaste, yogis. Touching your